Hello everyone. This is Arvind here, who I've been practicing ALP astrology for quite some time, and we'll see. This is just a small explanation about how ALP works. Okay, so ALP as a brief description about it. It's been invented by Sri Dr. Pudodi Murthy. He comes from a traditional astrology family from down south. So I had opportunity to learn from him from early days, and I found it very effective compared to the other astrological models that we have been learning. And that's how I'm into this, and I'm trying to explain how it works. And ALP stands for Akshaya Lagna Paddhati, which means Akshaya means growth, Lagna means it's Lagna, Paddhati is basically the methodology. Okay, so about in Akshaya Lagna Paddhati, what we do is we move the Lagna every year as we age. So Vimshottari Dasa basically is the one that everybody follows. It talks only about the mind, not about anything else. So, but Lagna also, the physical thing, also keeps on growing. So what happens is we have to address both the things. So what we do is we use Lagna. We also use physical. So the mind is being addressed by Vimshottari Dasa. Okay. And the physical growth is being addressed by Lagna. So we take both the things into consideration and by using this method. So the basic concept is there is a physical growth. Okay, there is a physical growth. So as we age, our physical growth also goes up like this. So this is indicated by Lagna. Okay, so but we also have the mental capability, which also keeps on changing as grows. This is indicated by moon. This is indicated by moon. So which is nothing but your Vimshottari Dasa. So when we are addressing Vimshottari Dasa, we are only taking care of half part of it. We are not taking care of the Lagna part of it. In this concept, we take care of both Lagna and as well as the mind portion of it. So it basically based on the nakshatras, which are very accurate in reading. So it's based on a traditional model. So how we do it? So we have 120 years for the whole Vimshottari Dasa. So and each Rashi. So if you take 120 years and divide by 12 Rashis, you get 10 years per Rashi. So you take 10 years per Rashi, and then what you do is, but 10 years happens to be quite a good amount of time for us to predict many things. So we take the 9 planets which are responsible for all our activities and how they control our activities. We take the 9 planets and we divide the 10 years by that. So we take the 10 years and divide by the 9 planets. So which will give you 1 year, 1 month and 10 days. So as soon as so 1 year, 1 month, 10 days for the 9 planets. So that means each pada that is there, okay, each pada that is here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So each pada is allocated 1 year, 1 month and 10 days. Okay. So now let's look into how do we take it. So supposing somebody's Lagna falls here. So the first year it will be here, the second year it will fall here. The third year it will go here. So which means, so every year you will add 1 year, 1 month, 10 days. So for the second year it will be 2 years, 2 months and 20 days. Okay. Once he reaches that, it will go into the second pada. So once the 2 years, 20 days, it moves into the third pada. So again you will add one more. So as we grow up, so when we say 1 year, 1 year, 10 days, so this will become 3 years, 4 months. Why 3 years, 4 months? Because here you get 30 days, which is nothing but a month. So we add to that, and so 3 years, 4 months, and 0 days. So when he moves that, he moves into the fourth one, and we start predicting it. Taking this as the Lagna, we start predicting. Assuming he is going the 9th year, he is going to the 10th year. So once the moment he moves into the 10th year, the Lagna also will move into the 10th house. The moment it moves, that means it has completely moved from one sign to the another sign. So once it has moved from one to the sign, and we use this as the Lagna, then what happens is everything changes from here, because the Lagna itself has changed. Supposing the moon was till here, and here there in the original natal chart, once the Lagna moves, the moon goes back. So moon related thing will be negative here once he reaches this age. And we have noticed kids at certain age start behaving differently. Suddenly the dullest kid becomes bright, the brightest kid becomes very dull. So suddenly the so-called diseases come up. All these things we can see. So when the moon moves, then you can see that all these things are happening. Okay, so that's the basic concept. Okay, but you need to, there are some lots of rules and regulations which we have to learn and follow it, and they're pretty easy and pretty logical. That makes the system very excellent to read, okay, and predict charts. Thank you for now. Thank you for now. I will be posting more clips, such clips for general education. Thank you.